you found those fans that perhaps you put away over the winter, now you definitely need them because this 83-degree temperature you see right here is not going away quickly. So here we are. We're dealing with this ridge of high pressure, easterly winds. It's very dry out there. And we're going to switch things around by tomorrow. But tonight it will still be a bit on the stifling side with our temperatures. Seaside right now, 59 degrees. Temperatures at the coast earlier today were actually in the low 70s. Now we're cooling down thanks to the offshore flow. But where we have that east wind, things will not be cooling down quickly. Now tomorrow, a different story. As we get to 8 o'clock in the morning, we're going to start off right around 57. But look at how the daytime temperatures behave. Not much of an increase here. Onshore flow, yes, returning, but this time we'll have more of this influence from the southwest. Mid 60s for you, mostly cloudy to start, and then eventually turning that over to some rain as soon as we get closer to about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon through 5 o'clock. And that southwest wind stays with us, but the amount of rain we actually get tomorrow is going to be minimal. We'll get to that in just a second. Take a look here. Hillsboro, you're at 81, 82. Beaverton. Heading over to Camas, 78. Washougal, not too bad, 74 degrees. Eagle Creek still holding on to 82. We're at 82 in Vancouver. Troutdale right now, 78. There's our next system. I mean, it looks very impressive, but here's the deal. It'll drag in eventually some colder air, which is fantastic on a day like today, just thinking about it. But there's not a lot of moisture piled in here. Some instability, though, may be with us as soon as we get to Friday. Let's talk about timing. So as soon as we get to tomorrow, right around 12, 1 o'clock, we should start to see some rain actually hitting the ground here up and down the I-5 corridor as soon as we get to 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and moves through pretty quickly. But what comes after that? On Friday, the showers behind that front, the colder air behind that front. We could see snow falling as low as about 4,000 feet over the Cascades. Now also with Friday, a little bit of instability. We could see some thunderstorms pop up as well, especially at the coast near Lincoln City, anywhere from the mid to late morning hours. But by Friday night, we're starting to clear things out. The best bet for any kind of rain after that would be Saturday evening. That will be mostly to the west northwest, especially if you're going to be northwest of Portland, across southwest Washington through Saturday night. By Sunday, we're starting to dry things out. So if you think about tomorrow plus Friday and possibly part of Saturday, what kind of rain are we talking about here? Maybe 1/10 of an inch, not even quite meeting that mark up and down the valley right here. So if you're going to be at the coast, possibly something close to about 1/2 inch. Now where we might be able to pile in some better rain is if we get some good downpours with any thunderstorms, but at this point that's looking pretty scarce. We do need more rain indeed. 7-day forecast looks like this. So temperatures were going to be in the mid 60s, but look at what happens as soon as we get into next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We're jumping right back into temperatures that are above normal.